Oh. There we go.
What do you think?
You don't care.
Can you block Austin?
Yeah, he's block Austin. I'll try. Alright. So I'll start off.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sure.
You want somebody to do it? Yeah.
Zeros. One out. I bet. I don't know if you would have gotten that.
I'll try the block.
Nah. Yeah, I'll stay off.
2-0. That was such a weird height. I was gonna open hand it and then it dropped to my chest. Good swing, good swing. I was trying to cover and I ended up too shallow.
Every gonna put the ball on the floor. Gonna put it on the floor.
Just a couple of chill guys.
It was such a hard hit ball, that was the problem. The bump kill. 6. Yeah. It's 6. Come on.
Get one.
That's a
Nice. Yeah, it's unblocked every time. I'll take this seat. You stay up there.
All right, Ryan, block left.
Rotate.
That should have been killed.
110.
You're blocking.
Yeah. You want? Okay.
Let him block Austin.
Okay. That's it. Yep, tied.
Doesn't matter.
Ones. Nice touch. Yeah. 2-1. Holy fuck. You. Oh. I thought you touched it for a second.
I said
I'll block here. Can you block Sam? Twos. Just say twos. I needed a little more bounce off that one. 3-2. Good point. Nice rip. Nice shot. All right.
Hey, nice hit, Jack.
4-3 or 4-4?
Tied. Threes, actually.
Threes. Out.
I didn't even approach it though. I just stood there.
Fours. Side out. Get one big run.
Let's go.
5-4 right here. Big run right here. Big run. 5-14. That's in. 6-4. I'm going there 10 straight times. Until I hit it out. 6-4. Out. I'm smashing it.
Yeah. Redacting all this footage.
15-6. I got it. Oh shit. Sorry, Grant. I was trying to no look you and I ended up giving you way too tight. Sixes. Line.
All right, let me try mine. This game's so fucked up.
7-6. Middle.
Yeah, now he's.
8-6. Nice. Good, thank you.
That's what made it go out.
7-8.